Yeah, so it's Race Planet, sun's out, we've got the toys out, and we're off to Japfest today. So come along with us. Peace! Japfest? Yeah.
Got a new clutch.
We're ready. Ready? Ready? Big fan. Ready for Japfest?
Every time.
Yeah.
Japfest the place to be, mate.
Cool.
Yo, Mr. Ticket Man, what's the problem, man? What's the problem?
Just making sure he's doing his job, isn't he? Just making sure.
What?
Just print this off like 5 times. So as long as the ticket numbers are different, we're all good, you know what I mean? Sorry, gents, you know what I mean?
Alright.
So we just got to Japfest, but on the way up.
That's going on the blue.
So we just got to Japfest, but somehow on the way up here, my car had developed a fault. Every time it comes on to boost, it's fluttering. So I think it might be the spark plugs. We're gonna have to go and see if we can find spark plugs, fit them before the track session. If it's gonna happen, fuck knows.
From my car, I have Race Planet, yeah? We're here at Silverstone.
Japfest, beer problems, man.
The mad thing,
Beer
get
8s
and 9s, so peak, turbos, not kicking in this, that.
We're trying to sort the problems out, innit? If it happens,
No, we're just gonna take our time. We're gonna walk through this house.
if I don't fix my car yet, I'm straight stealing someone's car to drag on the track. Someone's getting pulled out. Nah, I'm joking, we don't do that. Spoke to a couple of people, a couple of mechanics, yam. He said he thinks it's the spark plugs, so I've had to go find some spark plugs. Now I'm off to the to try and change my track time till later, so I can find someone to fit the spark plugs, pray for the best, and hopefully I can get on the track later. How are you, mate?
Fine, having a good time. Car life,
You got a new toy there, have you?
My little toy I bought yesterday, you get me?
Watch out for Big Fans playlist on Race Planet.
Yeah. I'm coming through, I'm trying to ting, get me? I'm trying to ting, man. Get me?
Cool. You saying, big man?
Cool. Yeah, Japfest, you know, loving this one.
Yes, so we've got the spark plugs. The lads down down at SJ Autosport are putting them in for me. Big shouts out to them. Let's hope that's the issue, so then we can go on the track. So, we've had a mare of a day today because basically found out what the problem is. Air temperature sensor is fucked. We tried to clean it and put it back in, but I ain't had time to test it. So track time now. I'm gonna do a lap. If we're still fucking about, call it a day, man. What do you reckon, brother? It's gonna be.
Well, we'll see. We got a lap to see.
Yeah, I think it's fucked, to be fair. I mean, it's not a major problem. Now I know what it is. When I go back, I can just go to the garage, get one, change it, and car sorted again. But all day we're trying to get this car, find the problem.
One thing after another.
One thing, I've changed this, not that, change this, check this, tighten this, run to this, get that. But yo, I'm to the point now where I'm raw, like, I don't give a shit, I don't care. If the car don't, if it's not booming, I'm just
lies.
I'm drained, fam.
Nah, you still are you.
Don't get me wrong, if it worked, it'd bring it back for me, you get me? But I got no faith right now. Cropper's behind there. Cropper's 2 cars back.
Yeah.
Cropper wants me to go on the track and stay on the track, even if my car's fucked, so he can try to smoke me. Fuck.
It's the only way you will.
My car's fucked, I'm coming off first lap, mate. Think I'm having cars coming past me like, fuck that. Allow that. Nah, I'm not on it, man. I'm not on it. Stop littering!
Smile's changed.
I think there's a bit of power there. I don't think it's all there, but I think there's some there, man. What I'm doing now, yeah. We've got about 15 minutes left. I'm gonna try and make all the cars overtake me. Yeah. So I can overtake the ball again. Come on, come on.
Go on, man.
There's this kid in his Evo. He's in the black Evo was eyeing me up earlier.
Yeah,
he's coming past me now.
Come on then.
Oh, here we go then.
Come in. Yes, man.
Come on, I can't catch him already. Come on,
Come on.
He's not on it.
Don't catch him sideways, man.
Not on it.
Go on, oh, we need to go brake fake still. Go on, man, boy, come on, man.
Not on it. Go on, do it. Do it, run. Come on, you got the way. What's this? Oh my god. What are you breaking so much for? Look at that, look at this, look at this, look at this.
You can't drive, man. Go on, man.
Don't overtake on the left, then it.
That is f***ing bad, man.
Oh, that's it, man. Well, give me some my car up, are you fuck?
A few moments later.
The blue one.
Yes, yeah, that's still.
That's it, party's over, mate. So yes, the engine is 2.1 stroker. But obviously, being a 2.1 stroker and being forged, I was wondering like what caused that. Having taken it to my mechanic at MB Development, found out that there's a pipe missing off the engine. I think it was a pipe that goes from the oil catch tank to the engine. So basically, every time I was on, when I was on the racetrack, every time I was turning right I think it was, and the oil was coming out, seeping out the bloody engine. And obviously if you've been on Silverstone, it's all right turns, right. So obviously, whether your engine's forged or not forged, or race spec engine, the engine isn't functioning with no oil, and that's what happened. How the pipe got off, this is where it gets a bit sticky. I had someone work on the car the day before. Obviously the guys that were at Japfest that were trying to help me, they worked on the car as well. Obviously I don't know if the guy before left it off, or them guys left it off, or someone's not put it all the way back on and the pressure's kicked it off. It's just one of them, man. Lesson to be learned. Only make your mechanic mess with your car, innit? But I kind of take it as half my own fault. Well, it's not half my own fault, but all day the car was telling me not to do it. Don't go on a racetrack. All day I was trying to get the car ready to go on a racetrack, and I got it on the racetrack. It was working, and then that happened. Even though the problem that was wrong with the car in the beginning had nothing to do with why the engine died. But yeah, it's one of them, innit? So let's not concentrate on the problem, let's concentrate on the solution. So yeah, as always, if you like the video, hit the like button, leave a comment. What should I do? Should I fix it? Should I scrap it and break it? Should I sell it? Get something new? What do you reckon? Is this the end of the Subaru? This is the third engine I've done in this car. Third, well, technically two. I've done two now, and my brother's done one. But still, this car's been through 3 engines. Is it time? Is it time for the end of the Subaru? What do you think? Leave a comment, and also subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Peace. Just a quick one as well. I apologize for all the swearing in this video. I was stressed out that day. I wasn't having a good day in it, so I swear a lot anyway, so fuck it.